Bored with the same old chocolate chip muffins? Well, let's combine two tropical fruits together and create a whole new muffin experience. The mix of orange and pineapple gives this muffin a subtle sweetness and wonderful citrus flavor. It's a kind of taste you don't get overwhelmed by and easy on the taste buds. Before we start mixing our ingredients, make sure to preheat the oven first to 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we're going to start with our dry ingredients here. I have flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Mix them until well blended. Okay. Now, I'm going to set aside the dry ingredients. Okay, I have a cloth here. Just getting a mixing bowl. I'm going to add the butter. Sugar, I have a hand mixer here, and I'm going to beat the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Now this will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. I'm going to start on low speed. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. The butter and sugar are light and fluffy. I'm going to add the egg. Beat it. Okay. I'm going to add the yogurt. You may find it strange to have yogurt in a muffin recipe, but this ingredient adds creaminess and moisture to the muffin. Nobody wants dry and dense muffin, right? I'm going to add the orange juice. And continue beating until well blended. Okay. I'm going to add the orange zest, then mix it, and then I'm going to fold in the flour, first half, okay. Don't forget to scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl. Last half of the flour mixture. Okay. And continue to fold. Okay, so you just make sure the flour is well blended. Okay, now for the last ingredients, I'm going to add cashew nuts, Or if you prefer other nuts, you can use walnuts, pistachios, pecans, or almonds. And I'm going to add pineapple and then fold it again. Okay, this is ready. So I'm just gonna get the muffin tray and muffin papers. I have some muffin papers here. Okay. Just put them inside the muffin tray. Okay. Then I'm gonna use 1/4 cup and then fill the muffin paper. Bake it for 16 to 18 minutes. While the muffins are baking in the oven, let's make our orange glaze. Prepare a small saucepan, add the water, orange juice, sugar, turn on the heat to medium. Okay. Continue to stir until the sugar is dissolved. Okay, once the sugar is dissolved, let it simmer for 5 minutes or until the glaze is thickened. Okay. All right. So the glaze is thickened. All right. So I'm going to turn off the heat and let it cool. It smells so good. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the muffins from the tray. Use a spatula. This will help you to lift up your muffin. Okay. Okay. I'm going to brush the top with our orange glaze. This will add shine and more flavor to the muffins. Now let's taste our muffin. Okay. Wow. This muffin is so moist, and you can taste the creaminess from the yogurt. and it has wonderful tropical flavors. Make this dessert and see your family and friends having seconds and thirds. It's also perfect with your morning coffee or when you want to enjoy a delicious afternoon treat. It's really good.